back to my channel. So today I want to show you what one of my daughters got me for Mother's Day. It's the Minc Mini, and I was wanting one of these, but they were back then, it was so expensive. So she got one for me finally. This is the mini one. So I'm gonna open this and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I got it out the box. So it comes like this is the mini one. Okay, so and then you have some stuff that comes with it also. You have, let me get it out of here. Some things that you can try it out. You have your trans sheet, and then you have a couple things you can ink up, and then you have a piece of gold and some gold in here. So gold, and so there's only gold in here. There's only one piece in here. I thought I saw a silver in here. Oh, it is silver. Okay, so it's gold, piece of gold, and piece of silver, and it's like very lightweight actually. Also, I have, but it didn't come with it. This is separate. This is 6x6 reactive full, and this is high graphic. It's also silver and gold also. It has, so I'm trying to see how many sheets it has in here. 4 pieces. So I'm assuming, okay, so it's 4 silvers and 4 golds in here. And also I have some, now this is 6x6 cardstock signature packs. So you can, okay, so you can use this on here to change this, apparently. And 24, so it looks like there's like different kinds in here. So I can find the beginning to open this. Okay, here it is. Okay. So yes. So this is some other pattern stick in here. You have some nice ones. I like that one. This is nice too. And then this one has, okay, so this is your color one, and this is your black and white one. Awesome. This is cool. So that's that. And then, so that's the samples. So with this, you can only use a toner machine. You can't, like if you have a laser printer, then you can use this. But if you have like an inkjet printer, then no, you cannot use it. It won't work. So let's try this out and see how this works in the end. Oh, and also, of course, you got instructions. Okay, so you have a verse here, and then you have off and on. Okay, see what the directions say here. Mature and silver. So, and you can, like I said, you can always print stuff off your printer as long as you have a laser printer. So we're gonna cut this to size because we don't want no, if you don't cut the size then then it will go onto your thing here, and we don't want that. So this is about this much. Get a pair of scissors here. That's like that. And that's just extra. And then we're gonna put this in here. And this goes on like so, like on top of here. And it lays on there just like that. Oh. Oh. That's how that works. Okay. So there is a light. Okay, there we go. And you put it in here. Just like so. And it takes it automatically, as you see. Just give it a little push, and it takes it by itself, and you do nothing to it. Not so cool it up a little bit. And let's see how it turned out in the end. See if I did it right. Okay. So apparently I didn't have enough pressure. Apparently in my machine. So I was gonna redo that one again. Cause yes, the thing you can redo it and get the spot that you miss. Okay. Let's try this again. See if we can get the gold. Okay. Not quite. I'm not getting all the gold. Somehow I'm getting the gold in places I don't want to get. Let me try the silver, because maybe it's not the pressure. Because maybe I'm doing something wrong here. Yes, that's much better. All I did was I missed the E here. So yes, my machine needs a 4. We're going to do let's do the script one. Till and relate this on there. Okay, there we go. And as you see, guys, I did it. I struggled in the beginning, but I did it in the end. Oh, that is so beautiful. That is so beautiful. Yes, I love it. Oh my goodness, that is so gorgeous. And sort this out. So, see how this one turned out. Close down. Oh wow. You can see it popping through already. Oh my gosh, and I was right. Yes. It is gorgeous. It is lovely. Oh my goodness. Oh my, that is so this one and where did the card? Oh. These are pretty. These are pretty. Well, Thank you for stopping by, watching me struggle to figure out how this machine works. And as you see, I figured it out in the end. But thank you for watching me. Like, subscribe. See ya.